Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Well, we've been waiting for a while now that the price goes below the $100 level. It actually did that today and yesterday, and it did already get a bit of a bounce. It's back above 100 now, just fighting with the $100 level. Not too much exciting price action going on here, so it's sliding further down. It reached one of our targets, which is the $97 level today. Did react quite substantially actually to it. We're going to zoom in a minute. It was one of the levels to watch that I pointed out in previous videos. Besides that, there is not much more to add. So I'm still watching for this to be a wave 2. As I said in the last few weeks, actually, the mindset has to be we are going to go lower until we see a break of trend. A break of trend would be, for example, a break above this yellow trend line would be a first early indication. But as Elliott wavers, we would like to see a 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave move to the downside that follows to indicate that the trend has shifted. I'm looking at this as an ABC structure where the C wave is an ending diagonal. I thought about it today, looked at it. It could also be a WXY structure. That makes a bit of a difference because it makes the entire chart a little bit cleaner. I don't like that idea of that A, B and an ending diagonal in C too much anymore because of this here, how this looks and the length of this. So I think it is far more likely that what we have here was an A wave here, a B wave here, or actually as a triangle here, yeah, and then a C wave to the downside now. But it doesn't really make a great difference. It's sort of more the academic side of things, but it doesn't really have an impact on where we're heading to, and it doesn't really have too much of an impact on the analysis because what we're doing anyway is micro counting at this stage. Yeah, why was this $97 level so important? So let's zoom in just in a minute here. So there you go. You can see we reached that $97 level, was one of the dotted lines we had on the chart. Quite substantial reaction actually. I mean, nothing major for crypto, right? But at least it jumped from 97 to 100 quite quickly, and that could carry on, yeah. It's not enough to say it has bottomed here or anything, but if we break above the yellow trend line, plus then take out the resistance at $110, that would be a good sign that indeed we have bottomed. But what was that for an important level? Well, you know, you can measure the length of a C wave by taking the length of the A wave and just comparing them, which is what we did in one of the previous videos. We took the length of the A wave, went to the high of the B wave, and then you get to that $97 level, the 100% extension. Now that could indicate the move down is now over, but it is too early to say, and I would like to see it a little lower. I would like it to grab some of the liquidity below the A wave low here, and that's below $95. So unless I see now an impulse to the upside and a subsequent 3-wave move to the downside, the idea is still that we are going to head a little lower into the $94, well, to $94 or below. It would be enough to just test it, you know, just touch it and move up. But in such a correction, it is normally likely that the last leg of the correction goes below the first leg of the correction. So if this is an ABC then or WXY, we want here that last wave down at least go to the same level, ideally a little lower than the A wave here. Okay, but there is not much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.